Good day, everyone. I'm your teacher, Shalome, and our lesson for today is all about the importance of ventilation, lighting, and temperature control in poultry house. First, let's discuss the importance of ventilation. Ventilation in poultry house supplies fresh air that is essential to sustain life. It also helps reduce the extremes of temperature, humidity, and air contamination to tolerable limits for confined chickens. So there are types of ventilation systems, which are natural airflow system, ridge ventilation, longitudinal ventilation, tunnel ventilation, and cross ventilation. So natural airflow, it is a ventilation system used in uncontrolled poultry environments. It is common in small-scale productions. It consists of ventilation directly with ambient air, controlling its intensity with curtains. Next is ridge ventilation. In ridge ventilation, the fans are mounted in ducts that are placed in the ridge of the roof, and the air inlets are located in the side walls of the barn. These types of ventilation is usually only used for minimum ventilation. Next is longitudinal ventilation. In length ventilation, the fans are mounted in the end of the wall and the air inlets on the side walls. A wide range of air volume can be generated by controlling the fan and changing the positions of the air inlets. Next is the importance of lighting. Lighting is essential for development and functioning of the reproductive system and growth of the chicken. It is a powerful exogenous factor in control of many physiological and behavioral processes. So let's discuss the types of lights. First is the fluorescent lights. Fluorescent lights are a cheaper, long-term proposition because of their greater light efficiency and low maintenance and running costs. However, installation costs are higher. Next is the fluorescent globes. Fluorescent globes, it is fit into normal batten holders used for incandescent globes. These fluorescent globes will reduce running costs significantly but are more expensive to purchase. Last is normal fluorescent. Normal fluorescent installations, these represent a long-term investments and are particularly suitable for converting existing incandescent lighting to a fluorescent system without changing any fittings. The conversion to fluorescent bulbs is a cost-efficient proposition as the savings in running costs soon outweigh the extra cost of the fluorescent globes. There are two lighting programs for broiler birds and for laying birds. Lighting patterns for broilers are aimed mainly at stimulating and controlling feed intake. So for laying birds, the aim of any lighting program for layers is to supplement the varying natural daylight so that an even pattern of total light is received throughout the year. Next is the importance of temperature control. Temperature control in poultry houses is crucial for the optimal growth and development of birds. It helps prevent the spread of diseases, ensures maximum egg production, promotes energy efficiency, and enhances bird comfort and welfare. Maintaining a controlled and comfortable temperature is essential for the overall health and well-being of poultry. Various studies and research articles emphasize the importance of temperature in poultry houses. So, for your assessment, the class will be divided into 3 groups. Each group must create a design layout with proper ventilation, lighting, and temperature control in a poultry house. So, the rubrics of the assessment will be sent in our GC. That's all for today. Thank you.